Are you ready to uncover the truth about the lost generator, also known as the Edison generator? This DIY energy device has been making waves online, but is it genuinely revolutionary or just another overhyped product? Stick around to find out everything you need to know before making a decision. What is the lost generator? The lost generator is a DIY energy solution that claims to harness thermal energy and convert it into electricity. Inspired by the principles of Thomas Edison's work, the device comes as a digital guide featuring detailed blueprints, step-by-step instructions, and a parts list for at-home assembly. Proponents say it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and promises incredible benefits, such as slashing electricity bills and providing backup power during outages, all without relying on traditional fuels like gasoline or diesel. Sounds great, right? Unfortunately, there's more to the story. The big claims versus reality. Let's talk about the claims. The marketing promises benefits like producing endless energy, cutting electricity usage by up to 90%, and ultimate energy independence. While these claims are tempting, they're not aligned with scientific reality. Experts in energy generation and physics have expressed skepticism, particularly when considering the laws of thermodynamics. Building a simple, homemade generator that produces significant amounts of sustainable electricity? It's unlikely. And when you factor in aggressive marketing tactics like long video ads with fake progress bars, you might want to pause and reconsider. While the idea of creating your own energy source is exciting, it's critical to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. How does the lost generator work? According to the product creators, the lost generator converts thermal energy into electricity. It's said to harness heat from sources like wood stoves or even the sun, delivering clean, renewable energy. The process supposedly relies on straightforward components easily found at your local hardware store, designed to be assembled with basic DIY skills. However, here's the catch: none of these claims are scientifically verified. Plus, even if the generator works to some degree, the energy output might not be enough to meet your household needs. What can the Edison generator do for you? If the promises hold true, the lost generator could offer some attractive benefits. Energy independence. Reduce your reliance on the grid. Emergency preparedness. Serve as a backup power source during blackouts. Off-grid living. Enable eco-friendly living in remote areas. DIY experience. A fun project for hobbyists, complete with a sense of accomplishment. But keep in mind, any claims of dramatically lowering your electricity bills or achieving full energy independence deserve careful scrutiny. What's included in the Lost Generators Guide? For a one-time fee of $49, you'll get access to step-by-step blueprints, clear diagrams to guide construction, a full parts list with affordable materials, safety guidelines to ensure proper handling. While the digital guide is presented as user-friendly, even beginner-friendly, the skills and effort required coupled with the questionable results may make this project more challenging than it appears. Customer reviews and complaints. While reviews on the lost generator are mixed, some customers have shared positive experiences. For example, Sarah Thompson raves about building the generator as an incredible experience, while Mike Johnson found the instructions clear but admitted to challenges with wiring. Yet many experts and other users feel this product overpromises and underdelivers, leading to concerns about its legitimacy. The bottom line: the lost generator is marketed as a groundbreaking DIY energy solution, but its claims are controversial. While it may provide a fun and educational project for those exploring alternative energy, its promises of endless free energy are inconsistent with scientific principles. If you're a DIY enthusiast intrigued by the concept, approach it cautiously. Focus on the experience rather than expecting dramatic reductions in energy costs. And if you're looking for reliable, renewable energy solutions, consider professional systems developed by trusted experts in the field. At the end of the day, remember to prioritize safety and practicality. If you're still curious, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, but proceed with your eyes wide open. For more reviews, tips, and insights into DIY energy projects, subscribe to our channel, and as always, thanks for watching.